Hello everyone, Mike Gaitis here, commercial real estate broker with Go Florida Commercial, helping you buy, sell, and lease commercial real estate here in Central Florida. Today I'm here with Jennifer Bondy and the Bondy Law team. Jennifer and her team have been practicing law in the area for more than 10 years, helping and counseling clients with legacy planning, probate administration, small business counsel, and real estate law. For the real estate law, they practice closing and title services, contract and lease renewal, loan workouts, and real estate development. Today, we're going to be discussing commercial leasing, looking at both the tenant and landlord perspective. Jennifer, thank you for doing this today.
Yes, thanks for having me today.
So we've gotten done with the LOI, or the term sheet, and now we're moving to a lease. Can you provide any advice on how a landlord or a tenant can get from the LOI, letter of intent, or the term sheet to a lease more smoothly?
Yeah, so with a letter of intent, it's usually kind of just the deal points. So someone's got kind of a short term sheet, as you mentioned, and we're going to talk about what the term of our lease is, what the rent rate is. There might be some language about, whether it's triple net or there's CAM charges. But in general, it's kind of the business points. And then we move into the lease negotiation, which I think is where having an attorney come in is critical, because that's when all the legalese starts coming out, right? Who's got the obligations of what? And so I think to make it a smoother transition, there are a couple of things that we could do. One, have a little bit more robust letter of intent, right? If you've got a 1-page sheet that talks about 5 topics, and then you've got a 50-page lease, there's probably a big gap that we've got to try and meet.
Exactly.
But even if we've just got a slim LOI, we can also make sure that our parties are a little bit flexible, right? So everybody wants to be protected and make sure that their best interest is covered, but having kind of a little bit of flexibility to make sure that we're fair to all the parties, I think really helps. So, the tenant wants everything in their favor, the landlord wants everything in their favor. And so I think having conversations about what's important, why it's important, and what we can concede on will help us, end up inking the lease.
Absolutely. Jennifer, I really want to thank you for doing this today. And if someone wants to learn more about commercial leasing and the Bondy Law team, what's the best way for someone to reach out to you?
Yeah, absolutely. We can certainly help if you're a landlord or a tenant looking for assistance with drafting a commercial lease. You can call our office at 407-720-9350. And our website is really simple. It's www.bondy.law.
Oh, very good. Thank you so much. And I also want to thank the good folks over at Splash Social Marketing for putting together this video series. They help businesses of all sizes with their social media, their marketing, and their website. They can be reached at splashsocialmarketing.com. And again, I am Mike Gaitis, a commercial real estate broker with Go Florida Commercial, helping you buy, sell, and lease commercial real estate here in Central Florida. Thank you.